Best PC build for video editing under 60,000 rupees 2026. Are you looking to build a powerful video editing PC under 60,000 rupees but confused about which processor, graphics card or RAM to choose? In this video, I'll show you the best PC build for video editing under 60,000 rupees, perfect for Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve and even basic 4K editing. This build is balanced, future-ready and gives maximum performance for your budget. Let's get started. When building a PC for video editing, we need to focus on three main things. Number 1, a strong multi-core processor. Number 2, a GPU with good VRAM. Number 3, at least 32 GB RAM for smooth editing. This build balances all three without crossing 60,000 rupees. For the processor, I recommend the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. It has 6 cores and 12 threads, perfect for video rendering and multitasking. It delivers excellent performance in Adobe Premiere Pro and works beautifully with Davinci Resolve. If you're a Premiere user, you can also consider the Intel i5-12400F. For GPU, the RX 6600 with 8 GB VRAM is the sweet spot in this budget. It handles 4K timelines smoothly, supports GPU acceleration and dramatically improves export speed. In Davinci Resolve, GPU power is extremely important and this card gives great value. Do not build an editing PC with 16 GB RAM in 2026. You need at least 32 GB DDR4 at 3200 MHz. Video editing consumes memory fast, especially if you're using effects, color grading and multiple layers. For storage, go with a 1 TB NVMe SSD. NVMe drives are much faster than normal SATA SSDs. They improve project loading, file transfers and export speed. You can add a secondary HDD later for backup storage. Choose a 650-watt 80+ bronze power supply from a trusted brand. For the cabinet, choose one with good airflow. Don't compromise on cooling, especially if you render for long hours. With this build, you can edit 1080p videos smoothly, handle basic 4K timelines, use color grading, add effects without major lag, export much faster than entry-level PCs. For YouTubers and freelancers, this build is more than enough. Processor 14,000 rupees, graphics card 20,000 rupees, motherboard 8,000 rupees, RAM 9,000 rupees, SSD 5,000 rupees, PSU and case 6,000 rupees. Total is around 60,000 rupees depending on offers. So that's the best video editing PC build under 60,000 rupees in 2026. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more PC build guides.